If you want to log or unlock your apps on your Samsung Galaxy A26, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down to your security and privacy tab. Then locate your more security settings. Locate your secure folder. Press continue. Give all the necessary permissions for your secure folder and give your phone like have a minute to create your secure folder. Great, now we have to set up a PIN pattern or password in order to make our secure folder work. So let's press done. I will set up a PIN. Press continue. Press OK. So now you can unlock reset with the Samsung account. So you can allow that if you want to. I don't want to have that. Press OK. You can also enable your biometrics and press next. So here is your secure folder. So now you can tap plus and you can add up any kind of application here. So edit, press add, and now it is here. So keep in your mind that applications won't disappear from your app screen. You will get a secured exclusive version only in your secure folder. So there will be just two versions of the same applications which you have on your phone. Easy as that. If you want to remove some application from secure folder, simply hold your finger on it and press uninstall. And it will be uninstalled from your secure folder. When you're done with it, simply tap on those three dots and press lock and exit. Now you can exit your secure folder from your app screen. So tap it, enter your password, and basically that's how you use it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.